Welcome to Srivardhan Beach. As you all know, places like Lonavala, Karjat, Matheran, we don't know some rare places in Maharashtra. I have come to a place called Harihareshwar, very beautiful, not known for. It's famous for its temples and its beaches, and there are like 2-3 beaches around this area and good sunset points around these places. Is it worth coming over here? Well, let's find out. As you enter Harihareshwar, you'll get this local market where all these localites they come and they sell their products from fancy stuff to different kind of eatable and drinkable stuff. A little bit of history about this place. This place was first built by Chandragupta Maurya, and then Shivaji Maharaj he won the battle. Then he captured this place and then he took over all these temples. He had to come here quite often, like in a year at least 2 times. Later on, the British people had taken this place because they were ruling most part of India. So they took good care of it. Then right now there is a trustee who is handling all the things over here, who's taking care of the temple. This is a fight of the monkeys. It's very intense. There you go. Next level, next level. There's one more over there. Well, if you are in Harihareshwar, this point is mandatory. It's very scenic. You can get the full beach over here, and then it's high tide basically right now, and even the currents are very fast and heavy. So tomorrow in the morning we'll be going over there, and let's see how the vibes are over there. Till now over here it's really good. I like this point. It's very scenic, good for photos. This place is very famous for its temples, as I've told you. And also it's having many caves inside at the top, and there's a beautiful place which is called as Ganesh Gali. So it's like around 300 steps down, and it's a very good scenic place. And if you go right side there, like you can get to see 50 caves over there present. This is what I'm talking about. Some unseen places. Let's go there. चलते हैं देखते क्या होता है. As he said that this place is not safe to be here, so I will not be able to go there. Wow, saw that? It's not safe at all, but it's beautiful. I wonder what is this thing now. I think they keep statues over here because there's a Ganpati statue picture over there. Wow, just look at this thing. It's so beautifully done. I think it's naturally made. I'm talking about the small hole pockets over here. और यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा लगून है. I think I should try vlogging in Hindi. It's better. What say? Comment down below. Do you want a Hindi vlog or a English vlog? Well, I think I've come to a wrong place, but this place is beautiful. I mean, like, just see, there are like rocks over here, and there is a bridge coming over there. I don't know exactly what bridge is that, but hope so. It's like it's connecting to that mountain. My plan is to go actually over here, but I've come here now. I have to figure out how to go over there. And for you guys, this is Maharashtra Tourism Cottage area. So if you guys want to book any resorts or any place over here, this is the best place. I have seen it. It's very good. I'm not staying here. I'm staying in hostel. So this is a good place basically to stay. You can get the information on the internet as well. So this is the cottage what I was talking about. Nice and beautiful. So finally the way to Ganesh Gali is over here. So let's see. Are you excited? Let's go. The way is very messy. Are we going to do it? Let's find out. Let's see how is it. And the way is like this. Very grassy. A lot of grasses. And the accent is changed totally. So while we are going up, I will tell you that this way is around 20 minutes walk. This trek. So far it's full of grass and it's a good way to go up actually. Proper way for now. Oh, there's... Hey bro! Peaks of climbing so high is this view. The full Harihareshwar's view is here. So let's move on. So little bit of history. This was built by the Peshwas. This way actually is still good and strong. Only there is some leaves and trees coming on the way. That's fine because of monsoon season. Those things, come out on the way. Boys and girls, be ready for this epic view. So this valley is Ganesh Gully and it's damn good. A small mini waterfall. So let's go and see how is it. Unfortunately I can't go down because it's very slippery. These people have come from other side, that's why it's easy to come up but it's very tough to go down. So yeah, enjoy the view over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this view over here. So now I'm going back to the hostel. It's been a very tiring day actually. Went to different places. But yeah, not that tiring as well. But I want to go explore more places for you guys. So I'll try my level best to show you many parts of Maharashtra, of India, out of India once we start traveling. So please support me, help me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon because whenever I upload any video you will be notified that my videos are live.
The next morning.
Good morning you guys. So I am going towards a beach which is known as Srivardhan beach, which is like 1.5 kilometers away from my hostel. So yeah, I will show you the place and by the time you can see this beautiful scenic view. It's so beautiful and there might be more things to be seen ahead. So let's go. Chai ki chuski. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Srivardhan beach. So as you can see that this beach is very rough. It's the best time coming. In the mornings, in the evening and the afternoon time is very rush. So this is the best time you can come over here. And also it's very scenic. If you can pan over there, the view is amazing. You can zoom in. There's nice horse riding over here. So it's pretty early in the morning. At 7 o'clock we have come over here. And yeah, the weather is good. It's slightly overcast and a bit of sun coming out now. And the best thing is that the Srivardhan beach is connected to Harihareshwar beach as well. You just go straight over here, you will get Harihareshwar's place, and the temple, everything is over there. Well, as you can see that the currents are very deadly, so it's a bit risky to go over there, but I am enjoying the view over here. And the view over there is damn good. And there's a small waterfall over there, so it looks pretty scenic. And Harihareshwar is behind this mountain over there. Well, coming to this place, you feel first of all so humble, so blessed, and I feel like it's like a life reward. The life is giving a reward by taking to this beautiful place, and just enjoy this moment. So yeah, it's time to say bye-bye to this place, Srivardhan Beach. I highly recommend you guys to visit this beach. It's very peaceful, it's very scenic.